Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Cancer. Meron tayong special channel for for Cancer, Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Ayan, kasi you are a water sign, Cancer. Let's start your reading. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Tapos, ito nga pala yung details kung paano ka makakapagpabook ng personal reading. Ayan, tignan mo na lang. And TikTok shop Uniprey kung gusto mong mag-avail ng mga products such as crystals, bracelets, yan, mga crystal ring, you might want to check it out. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Sana mabigyan kita ng magandang message ngayon. Kung hindi ka naman nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin. Kung ayaw mo ng klase ng aking reading or way ko ng pagre-read, pwede ka namang mag-next video. What do we have here for the sign of Cancer? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Okay, Cancer. We do have here the Nine of Swords. Okay, nakita natin nasasaktan ka ngayon. Nine of Cups. Maybe regarding, I don't know kung ikaw itong may options or ikaw ang ginagawang option. Kaya masakit para sa'yo. And being an emotional sign, kumbaga, you can't help na masaktan dito sa bagay na ito. Na parang pwedeng ayaw mong masaktan, gusto mo isa walang bahala, but then still it's hurting you. You do have the King of Wands. At na Wheel of Fortune, yung iba sa inyo, you are longing or gusto mo ng pagbabago, pero walang pagbabago nangyayari sa ngayon. Sa ngayon, ang nagagawa mo lang is maghintay, maging patient, and maybe whatever your case or your problem is right now, I feel like may malapit ng big change na mangyayari sa iyo, especially pagdating sa career, business. Yan, yung mga negosyante sa inyo, malapit na itong pagbabago sa inyo. I feel like a lot of people ang makakanotice or makakapansin. I can see something na may kinalaman sa libro. Maybe this is the right time to start publishing a book or maybe reading a book para mas magkaroon ka ng knowledge, and the knowledge na matututunan mo doon, it can help you pagdating sa iyong career. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe, something to do with book. So now is the time. I-try mong gawain na yon. So anyway, sino yung person na kakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Isang shuffle na lang. Okay. Sino itong person na ito nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? You do have the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. One more card. And the Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yung person na nakakonect mo, I can see a new beginning dito. Parang may mga offer. Either in-offer niya sa'yo yung new beginning na yun, na pwedeng may kinalaman sa money, career, or maybe material things. But some of you, this could be a new beginning na sa kanya lang, nangyayari sa buhay niya. Maybe kasi with the Seven of Pentacles, pwedeng hindi masyadong nag-grow ngayon kung ano man yung mga bagay na supposed to be nag-grow, pero parang nagkakaroon ng delay. May parang kulang ng, may mga kakulangan, no? And I feel like itong person na to is nakikita kanya na something or someone na makakatulong sa kanya for this to grow. And the Four of Swords, parang I feel like yung person na to wala siyang magawa ngayon sa situation niya. The Two of Pentacles, you're dealing with a wishy-washy person. Pwede may mga bagay siya pinapakita, sinasabi, ginagawa, tapos later on, maiiba na naman yung storya or medyo maraming pabago-bago ng desisyon, kumbaga, or isip, itong person na to. So, ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have here the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Swords, Five of Cups, and one more card. Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. So, nakikita natin dito, Cancer. Four of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. You love this person kasi lagi mo siyang iniisip eh. Mahal mo siya. Gusto mo siya. Gusto mo yung pamilya niya. Or might be you are currently feeling a lot of love dito sa person na to, happiness. And naiisip mo itong person na to, but pwedeng may mga bagay kang gustong matapos or magbago muna with regards to family. Whether sa family mo or sa family ng person na ito. Emosyon ng person na to, maybe I'm feeling a lot of sadness, kalungkutan, especially with regards sa kanyang mga kaibigan or a particular friend. So nalulungkot siya regarding doon sa bagay na yun. Well, pareho naman kayo, ang gusto nyo mangyari is magkaroon ng stability muna sa sitwasyon ninyo or sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Well, I feel like itong person na to, nalulungkot siya kasi there's something here na iniisip niya with regards sa kanyang nakaraan. Parang gusto niyang bumalik, but parang ang hirap, or maybe yung mga kakonect niya sa nakaraan, parang may gusto niyang bumalik or makakonect or communicate, but hindi nangyayari yan. So, nagdudulot ito ng kalungkutan sa taong ito. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future, you do have your the Knight of Cups and the Four of Wands. In the near future, you do have your the Justice card and the Queen of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Libra energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn at the bottom of the deck. In the near future, actually nakakita tayo dito ng offer of something stable sa'yo, no? Maybe an offer of career, pero bago pa ma-accept ito is you need to cut off something first. May kailangan ka munang i-cut off. The Nine of Pentacles, this is actually a career na wherein magkakaroon or magbibigay ng big changes sa buhay mo. Maybe it can give you stability and money, success, and I feel like this is something na gusto mo or pangarap mo. And I feel like of course ang magiging problem is maybe with regards sa money, may mga bagay na mga mawawala, or you need to pay something like maybe a debt, kautangan, ganyan. But kung hindi mo may experience yung ganitong paghihirap, hindi mo alam na hindi okay yung situation mo eh. Alam mo yun? Kaya may offer or may binibigay sa universe sa'yo kasi might be there's something na kailangan i-correct. Maybe you are in a situation na hindi okay for you, and then patuloy si problema kasi hindi ka naman umaalis dyan. So this thing is like will help you na parang tutuktukan ka nitong pangyayari na ito, itong problem na to, whatever stress na nararamdaman mo sa buhay mo, para magkaroon or ikaw na mismo gumawa ng changes na yan sa buhay mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.